Charlie's litter is 8 weeks old today. And we have Smudge. He's a curly-coated boy, and he is still available. Super sweet boy, funny personality. Here we have Jet. He's not Charlie's puppy. He's from Cricket's litter, and he is a wavy-coated male. He's the only puppy available from that litter, so I thought I would just add him in here. He has a really nice, crazy wavy coat. And there's Smudgy again. Say hi, Smudge. They're gonna eat my fingers. And here is Fudge. Hey, Fudge. He's my other curly-coated male that's available. And he's crashed out. Hey, Fudge. Wake up, buddy. Wake up, sleepyhead. Wake up, sleepyhead. You gonna wake up? You gonna wake up? He's the biggest. Got some big old feet on him. They're eating my camera. You guys are eating my camera. And then we have Kahlua. She is my wavy-coated female that's available. She's a little lighter in color. She's still chocolate. She just got a lighter color to her. She may be silver beige. And my other female that's available has a curlier coat. And that's Autumn. Come here, Jet. Autumn is super, super sweet. They're all super sweet. Both the girls are really, really sweet. Autumn's all about kissing your face. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Aren't you, Autumn? And Smudge is eating my camera. Yeah. And then there's little Charlie here. Hey, little Charlie. Hey, buddy. Say hi. He's going to be going to live with his new family soon. Come here, look up here. Say hi to your new family. Hey, I'm going to be looking for you on here. He's more interested in my leather laces. I'm going to stand up here because it's a little hard to get pictures when they're all eating my feet. Yes. See how dark the chocolates are? They're almost look black. We got Smudge, Kahlua, there's Jet, the black one from Cricket's litter, and there's little Charlie. There's Smudge. That was Autumn over here, I think. Looking at them from the top view, they look a lot alike. Smudge is bigger though. Kahlua is the runt. And then there's Mr. Fudge. He's crashed right back out. Hey, Jet. Hey, buddy. He's a really laid-back boy. He's a sweetie. Aren't ya? Yes, you are. Hey, Charlie. Show those gorgeous eyes. The chocolates and the cream with the chocolate nose all have green to amber-colored eyes. Their eyes are so pretty, just like their mama's. She's got really stunning eyes. They just stand out. I think I caught you guys at sleepy time, didn't I? You want to play with the ball, huh? Let me get that ball. See if I can reach it. Get it, get it. We can't get a grip on it. It's too big. Too big, huh, Charlie? Say hello. I can't wait to see what he looks like when he's older. He's got more of a straight coat. It's soft and fluffy. Has more of a retrieverish look to him. It's so hard to tell what their coats turn out like when they get older. Some of the straighter coated puppies end up with long locks. You eating the blanket, Kahlua? Playing tug of war.